What is our country?
India.
Who is the President of India?
Draupadi Murmu.
Who is the Prime Minister of India?
Narendra Modi.
What is the capital of India?
New Delhi.
What is the national flag of India?
Tricolor flag.
What is the national tree of India?
Banyan tree.
What is the national animal of India?
Tiger.
What is the national bird of India?
Peacock.
What is the national flower of India?
Lotus.
What is the national river of India?
Ganga.
What is the national symbol of India?
Ashoka Chakra.
What is the national anthem of India?
Jana Gana Mana.
What is the national song of India?
Vande Mataram.
What is the national sport of India?
Hockey.
When did India get independence?
August 15, 1947.
When did India become a republic?
January 26, 1950.
Thank you.